What is going on, guys? It is Brash Garage and we are back again today with another great video on the Civic. As you can see, already got the front passenger side wheel off, and that is because my overnight JDM parts, time to go on. But no, in all honesty, I'm fucking with you guys. Got some $50 off Amazon coil sleeves to basically turn those struts that you can't even really see into adjustable coilovers. Jank, shit, but gonna look good though. Before we do that, we have to roll the fenders. I am rocking Rotogrids 16 by 6s, and we are at a tire size of 205/45 R16. Obviously they're 16, so just because we're gonna roll the fenders. So let's do it. Okay. These things are heavy as fuck. Sandal gang. Okay, so there are many ways to do it. You could use something like that or a bat, but I got a wicked deal on this fender roller. Focus, here in town. So I have never done this before, but obviously take your wheel off, get the car jacked up, then take your wheel off, and over here, over yonder, right here, boom, you're gonna need one of these weapons, the atomic blow dryer. You're just gonna have to heat the hell out of it. I know you gotta heat it up and use one of those things. So let's be pros, and let's roll these fenders. And honestly, if they get ruined, I mean, well, it doesn't really matter. So, on actually, copyright. Bro. Okay, anyways, I probably know as much about fender rolling as you boys do. So, it's not really gonna be like a how-to, but kind of like a watch me try and do this and not fuck up. All right, that is a pretty decent angle with the seesaw table. So, we have the fender roller, the Power Fist fender roller. All right, we got these things up here on the top. They're concave on one side and flat on the other. I don't know, like, is it necessary to use these? Oh no, I know exactly what they're for. I know exactly what these are for, okay. So you got these things to protect your nice tuner lugs. As you can see, I'll show you my gorgeous tuner lugs. Yeah, absolute trash. Never ever buy these lugs. I haven't even had them for 2 months and they flaked like this. Anyways, you see how it's kind of concave, like spherical, like that-ish type of deal? Well, you know, they just kind of made up perfectly. So, you're gonna get this unit, slap it on your hub. Oh, like that. Beauty. Okay, then with it like that, you're gonna go ahead, put the flat side up against it and the cone out towards you. So like that, you heard? Just like that. You're gonna take this hand threader, like a shredder, right on there. Okay, I'm kind of just gonna give it a quick little ugga-dugga and call it a day. So let's just, yup. Good to go. So now we have to set this up. I don't know how, really, but it needs to be a neutral because that's just not working. All right, she's a nudie. Open diff. Oh yeah, open diff life for days. Okay, so you're gonna start unscrewing stuff until things start moving in the fashion that you want. Yeah, so I think you kind of use this as like an arm. So now that I want it there, I'm just gonna go ahead and untwist. And it's kind of just gonna put pressure on, and then you're just gonna literally roll. So you just kind of fuck around with it until you set it up right, and then you just keep adding pressure and you just keep rolling. But like, I haven't heated anything up yet. As you can see, it starts to get tight there. Wow, this actually works really good. I'm already feeling what I've done. This thing's legit. And I haven't heated anything up, so just pause. Just pause. Oh, that unit gets hot quick. Your boy did it. He did it big. Yeet. Look at that, bro. Rest in peace, Honda OEM paint. Damn you. Heat up, mofo. So I'm heating half of it at once. So I'm not gonna go past the center here and just kind of heat where I'm working, because it's not gonna stay hot forever. My fender roller just fell apart. Maybe I didn't get a good deal. Alright guys, so this fender is now rolled. But this fender roller, I'm saying it now, dude, it is a piece of shit. This bolt in the back keeps coming off whenever I'm trying to tighten it against the fucking fender. It's like, what's the fucking point? But it's done for the most part, and I officially hate rolling fenders. So my fender roller is straight junk, but you can see it's pretty consistent except for this one dent I've had and I've always had here. If we go in and look at it on the flip side, we need a light. Okay, if we look at it under here, it's super good. Nice and tight. Hold on. Yeah. So, I mean, first time ever. It's not horrible, but it is what it is. Gonna go ahead, put the wheel back on, and then start on that guy. Okay guys, so as you saw in that last clip there, obviously the fender roller doesn't work very well at all. Unfortunately, I mean, like, it's a huge bummer because I did buy that fender roller and it's actually just junk. Like when you try to tighten it to bring, so the fender is my face, the side of my face right here. And the fender roller goes in and you try to tighten it so it presses against the fender. Once you get there, the back side of the bolt for that long rod, it just falls out. Like, it's a horrible design and it literally doesn't work. Anybody could use this fender roller and it just doesn't work. You can't apply pressure from the red wheel onto the fender, because as soon as you do, it literally comes apart, as you guys saw. So you can get it enough to where it like bends the fender up a little bit, but it's not enough to get it out of the way. So I went ahead and finished it with a mallet. I tried the rear off camera with that fender roller and confirmed it is just straight shit. So I'm not using that ever again. Nobody is going to use that thing ever again because it doesn't work. It's literally just a big metal paperweight. That being said, that is how you roll your fenders if you have a fender roller that works good, and I'm pretty happy with how it came out. I mean, it's not supposed to change the look or anything, just so you don't you know, rip up your tires when you're sitting low. And we did that because the coilovers are coming soon. So if you guys want to see that, go ahead, click that subscribe button down below, give me a fat old thumbs up. It would really help me out. I'm really trying to make this dream come true and make this whole YouTube thing my life. And if I could do that, I'd be forever thankful. So you guys go down, give me a subscribe. Would mean the world to me. Thanks a lot. Peace.